Eclipse IDE installation completely in your PC or laptop. Internal application related packages C and C++ and Java other applications also uninstall completely. Explain. Desktop File Explorer document open. Left side this PC option select. First one new volume C select open. Users folder select open. First one folder PC system username folder select open. First one dot Eclipse. Second one Eclipse folder internal tools folder. Third one Eclipse workspace. Eclipse IDE internal created project files saved location in this folder. First one dot Eclipse select mouse right click. Fourth icon delete click. Second one folder Eclipse select mouse right click. Delete icon click. Third one Eclipse workspace select mouse right click. Delete icon click. Folder close. Desktop shortcut Eclipse IDE select mouse right click. Delete icon click. Desktop Windows search box enter Eclipse. Eclipse IDE for Java development installation application. Right side third option open file location select Eclipse IDE for Java internal Java application. Select mouse right click. Delete click. Window close. Eclipse IDE installation process completed. Next, system restart must in your PC or laptop.